What is up, YouTube? Old Tom, Rambler 69. Got a couple kits in, mail call, and we're going to go over that. My good friend Dave Porter in the UK, the Bronco kit, he shipped that when he shipped the 30. I've had this now for about a week now. But I want to do a quick video and a big thank you out to Dave, and he sent me the Bronco kit. I see some guys are getting it in the States now, so it's becoming available here. But we did 2 Broncos, and this half cab's really cool. Just turns it into a little pickup truck. But we'll be building that. Kind of like the color on the box, and we might do it in a lightish orange color. We'll see. But you get a dune buggy and trailer. That's a old tool, old Revell tool from an older kit. But it looks nice. A lot of stuff you're going to have to paint. It's all molded in and stuff like that. But we might do this whole thing up and see what we got. But it's pretty cool. And we're glad to get it. Want to thank Dave again. And we're going to get at it. I might do it for Keith, for Butch's brother. But I might build that for Keith. We'll see. I've been debating what to build. But this kit came today from Atlantis. I had pre-ordered it quite some time ago, and we're super excited to get the Mooneyes Dragster. If you're not familiar with this, it was a parts pack kit in the 60s. You had to buy like 3 parts packs, I think it was, to get everything to build the Mooneyes Dragster. And I almost bought one of them at a show, and they were going for like well over $100. So really nice that Atlantis is putting some of this stuff back out. So you're getting all the parts in this kit to build it, which is super cool. But we got plans for this. Going to make a transport hauler for it, and we're really excited about this. So this build will be coming up real soon. We've been, some of you know George, the Shade Tree Fix-It Man, and he had sent me that old Hubley that I restored, and he sent me some other stuff, and he had asked me if I would build his first car, and it's a 54 Chevy sedan. So I've been working on that for George, and it's a project, and it's not, that old Revell kit's got a lot of issues, and it was never meant to be built as a stock 54 sedan. But we're getting the ride height set and getting it where we want it. But we'll do a video about that here in a few days. So that's all we got. I want to keep everybody long, and just let them know that these kits are back out. This one here is so cool, and the Bronco, we're looking forward to that too. So that's going to be a really nice build, and we might change it up. I don't know if we'll do a little suspension on it or not. We'll see. But that's all we got, guys. Great stuff going on in the community. Acme coming up here in about a week. See a lot of you there. We will be there. So everybody take care. Old Tom, Rambler 69. Later, guys.